Planning to scale past 50K a month? Jumping too fast without preparation is one of the top reasons accounts get frozen. Here is a quick way to stay safe. Track your monthly processing totals and keep an eye on when you are approaching that 50K mark. If you suddenly spike past this without documentation ready, your processor may freeze funds until you prove the growth is legitimate. Processors expect consistency. If you normally do 20K a month and suddenly jump to 60K, they may flag your account as risky. By tracking your volume and preparing supporting documents like bank statements, invoices, and growth projections, you will be ready before scaling. This avoids interruptions that could cost you momentum. With EasyPay Direct, your account is underwritten for growth. They work directly with banking partners who understand high volume merchants so you can scale past 50K smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer transaction routing, which helps distribute volume intelligently across multiple accounts. If you're ready to scale without risking shutdown, EasyPay Direct can help prepare your account for high volume success. The link is in the description when you are ready.